General Science Quiz Question and Answer, which are essential for all kind of examination. To join our Knowledge Sky channel, subscribe our channel and press the bell button to watch old general knowledge videos. 1. In which direction does the sun rise? Answer: east. 2. Which is the world's largest flower? Answer: Rafflesia. 3. How many zeros are there in 100,000? Answer: 5. 4. How many hours are there in 2 days? Answer: 48 hours, 24 plus 24. 5. How many months of the year have 31 days? Answer: 7. January, March, May, July, August, October and December. 6. How many weeks are there in 1 year? Answer: 52. 7. Which are the colors in a rainbow? Answer: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. 8. How many bones does an adult human have? Answer: 206. 9. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Answer: Neil Armstrong. 10. How many millimeters are there in 1 centimeter? Answer: 10. 11. Which is the nearest star to planet Earth? Answer: Sun. 12. Which is the longest river on the Earth? Answer: Nile. 13. Which is the principal source of energy for Earth? Answer: Sun. 14. How many lungs does the human body have? Answer: 2. 15. What is the standard taste of the water? Answer: water is tasteless. 16. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? Answer: Mount Everest. 17. Which is the fastest animal on the land? Answer: cheetah. 18. Which continent is known as Dark Continent? Answer: Africa. 19. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Answer: Mars. 20. Which is the most sensitive organ in our body? Answer: skin. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a like in this video and share this video to all of your friends, students, kids, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel, Knowledge Sky YouTube channel.